Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel. My name is Dhruvin. Here in this video I will show you how to fix Apple ID verifications failed error on iPhone. Lot of iPhone and iPad user has been reported to Apple ID verifications failed error on iPhone. Before the starting this video, please make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and iPad. Now this question is Apple ID verifications failed, how to fix. Now the solutions number 1 is ensure you are connected to the internet. So guys, now please make sure first of all find out and open the control center on your iPhone. In this control center you can check ensure you have connected to internet via Wi-Fi and cellular data. If not connected with the internet, now please make sure connect to internet on iPhone and iPad. Solutions number 2 is disable VPN on your iPhone and iPad. First of all, open the settings app. In the settings app, now scroll down and tap on the general. In the general, now scroll down and find out the VPN and device management. Here first one option is VPN. If your iPhone is connected to VPN, now please make sure turn off VPN on your iPhone and iPad. Solutions number 3 is sign out from the Apple ID and signing back. Now first of all open the settings app. In the settings app, tap on the profile at the top corner. Now please make sure tap on it. Now scroll down and find out the sign out option. Sign out the Apple ID. Now wait for the 20 to 30 second wait, then again log in your Apple ID on your iPhone and iPad. Solutions number 4 is the most important. Now please make sure solution is fix the date and type on your iPhone and iPad. For that, now again open the settings app. In the settings app, now scroll down and tap on the general. In general, now scroll down and find out the date and time options. In the date and time, set automatically is off. Now please make sure turn on set automatically on your iPhone and iPad. Solutions 5 is use the Wi-Fi connection instead of the cellular data. Sometimes cellular data or mobile data connection is very poor. Now please make sure connect with the Wi-Fi on your iPhone and iPad. Solutions number 6 is the most important. Force restart your iPhone and iPad. If you are using iPhone X series, 11 series, 12 series, 13 series, 14 series and 15 series, then follow these steps. First of all, press the volume up button, then press the volume down button and also press the on off button at the same times. When the Apple logo appear on your iPhone screen, then release all the buttons and easily restart your iPhone. This way too you can easily force restart your iPhone and iPad. Now the last and most important solutions is reset network settings on your iPhone and iPad. Now first of all again open the settings app. In the settings app, scroll down and tap on the general. In general, second last option is transfer and reset iPhone. Now tap on the reset. In reset you can see also second option is reset network settings. Now enter your correct passcode and now again tap on the reset network settings. These 7 solutions too you can easily Apple ID verifications failed problem fix on your iPhone. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about it, so please DM on my Instagram. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.